Well, today's now February, I believe it's the 17th today. Well, I don't know where to start this video. I haven't been making videos for the past month or two. Kind of one of the main reasons, been doing a lot of crypto mining. Even got my own rig set up at my dad's house in his basement. Yeah. I'm thinking I've been making videos since day one with all this stuff, like quite a while back. This is only half the systems. So those fans right there are just sucking hot air out of here. They're not even powered right now. It's just the vent from the furnace. Coder intake, because it gets very warm in here with this. But I'm not going to go into details again. This is kind of why I haven't been on YouTube. Been dealing with a lot of this stuff. So, as you guys can see, it's running pretty decent. Again, I need to do a lot of cleaning down here. A lot of cleaning. This is only half the system that's running. The other half I maintain is at my work, at the shop. So, just kind of thought I'd give a little bit of an update there. And I guess now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with some clips from my house and just random clips over the last 2 months. So it's going to be kind of a random video. Again, videos on mining equipment and everything. I am making separate videos, but to be honest, I'm going to wait until I got a little bit more up. So it might be half a year before you guys see any videos about this equipment. Got tons of videos from my work, all kinds of stuff. If you guys are wondering the scale that I'm dealing with this, picture probably about this entire basement full of these things. so that's been keeping me busy. Well, let's jump on to some of the other random clips that happened over the last 2 months. Hey Proxy, hey, quit making out with the server chassis. I seen you licking it. Like, why? Is it shocking you? Proxy, that snowdrift is like 2 feet deep. What are you doing? Drift buster. I didn't notice that last night when I got here, how deep that was. Think she's having a little fun in the snow? What do you guys think? Some other dogs in the background barking. I think they got her attention. Holy Proxy. Holy. Slow down, Poodle. Slow down. Oh, you got snow over your face. She's making herself a castle. Yeah, looks like she's having fun. Not bad seeing it's -30 outside. Really? You want to go hide that outside? Is that what the noise is? You want to go hide that outside? You're going to go bury that and find it in a month time, aren't you? You should just eat it in here. This ain't good. Proxy decided she wanted to play on top of the Monty today, and she got a taste for the roof. Look at this. She literally tore the roof apart on this thing, digging on top of the roof. Yep. Yeah, good thing it's only a parts car, but yeah, she was playing on top for quite a while. Yeah, it's kind of funny. Proxy, what's this? What's this? What's that? Ow. What's this? You want to go for a walk with Lily? Is that what it is? What, you're going to the gate? You think I'm going that way? No, we're going in the back. Yeah. You really do want to go for that walk, don't you? Wrong gate, Poodle. Wrong gate. Just gotta find something to cover up my truck seat. Well, look at that. Yeah. nothing stuck under that pedal. Let's go check under the hood. First time this year. Let's go see what's happening under the truck. You stay in here, Poochie. You are not... Hey, no, back, Proxy. You stay in there. You stay in. If you're not getting gear, I'll be very mad at you. Better maybe stay in there, hey? Well, it's coming back down. Oh, look, it's going to die. Come on, it normally always dies. No. Is it going to die? No floor mats. See, I don't trust leaving it running to go check the linkage under the hood with the dog here. I'll just push my e-brake on as tight as possible because this thing will bump and drive into that truck there if, for some reason, Proxy stay. Man, is she being a pushy brat right now? You stay in there, Poodle. See what's up under here. You know, it's been a long time where you don't even remember how to pop your own damn hood. It's actually been a very long time since I had this open. I don't really check the oil that much, I admit. Really nothing. Oops, I didn't mean to erase that. Let's see here. I see that right there. It's all the way down. See, some people are saying something about this getting stuck, but no, that's the slider for the throttle cable. So no, that's definitely good. And everything seems to be good under here. It just does it the odd time when I hit a bump. So that's interesting, hey? Well, and to be honest, see this spot right here? My camera's not going to focus for some reason, but this is right outside Superstore. This exact spot right here, I've been stopped here 3 times with the same problem. The exact distance from my dad's house. Well, that's interesting. I didn't see anything. Proxy. Come on, Proxy. I didn't have my light on. Proxy. Holy. Yeah. You guys are being good. You guys are being good. Yeah. Haven't been here in over a month. Yeah. Doggies are doing good. Doggies are doing good. Don't be chasing that one. We're going right away. You guys behave. Well, yeah. Is that what you guys do when you wake up? Really? Yeah. Morning fun. Hey, what was that, Poodles? Yes. So, you win, you get to bone? No? Hey, that was mean. I've seen that. Lily, I don't think she likes that.
and I feel like that needs to be celebrated. Speaking of, where are the drinks? In this thing?
The French.
Are you two having fun?
Okay.
Are you two having fun?
Okay, I just see 2 de-shelled hard-boiled eggs in a bag.
I think
Should
so.
I be scared for you?
The vodka's in the freezer.
Oh, in the freezer. Okay.
Really?
There she is.
You just bite her nose.
Look at
Hey.
that. Look at her go.
Yips.
I needed something bold.
There's a lot of people out there that tell me you should.
Taking a pee. You two having a little bit of fun back there? Outside in a t-shirt, even though it's -30. They're playing fetch. They were playing with the ball there, but now they're just kind of playing with each other. A little bit of fresh new. That's for sure. Driveway, never even got a chance to plow it or anything this weekend. Nothing else going on, so thought I'd just get a little footage of these two. Okay, come on, poodles. Proxy just flopping up there in the wind. It's very cold in the wind. Slowly digging. Lily's down. Okay, Proxy, no squishing her. Proxy, are you squishing her? Okay, Proxy, come on, let her go. Proxy. Well, I am cold in a t-shirt, so I'm going into this. It is freaking windy out here. Oh, hey, poochies. You guys almost ready to go? Yeah. Yes, the fence is still not fixed. It's just well, not finished. Just sitting loose. They're just playing until we're ready to go. They weren't in this pen because, of course, it's not finished. When I snowblowed out the yard there, I just decided to snowblow around here and let them play just before we leave. So, don't want too much poop in there. That's for sure. Holy. Well, they'll explore that for a while and hopefully not escape.
You want to play rope with Grandpa? Play rope with Grandpa. Play rope. Play rope. I get a win? Grandpa wins. Grandpa wins. Grandpa wins?
Yes, he's already too tired from the dog park.
Yeah, he's tired.
That's not as exciting as I thought it would
Play
be.
rope?
Let her pull you. Put your feet up.
You dizzy got a mail call coming out from some guy.
Go. Grandpa wins.
Sitting in the wood shop looking at those.
Grandpa's gonna
Oh,
win.
God, you took so long. But I seen those tools
Good
and I thought,
girl.
oh, man.
Good girl.
I said, well, however long it's going to take.
Man, that tail's like a foot wide. That's crazy.
Grandpa wins.
Who knows, your son will have
Grandpa
one, and his
wins.
kids will know.